All right, so here is everything that it comes with to build this kennel. Real nice flat black walls. It's got this nice wood bottom here and a nice top for the crate here. And so the first thing we're gonna do is flip this over. That's the bottom. And we're gonna attach these doors to it. And we're gonna attach it using these two smaller screws. All right. So the next thing that you're going to do is put the side panels on. Now one side has a door to it and the other one doesn't. So you're going to want to decide where the back of this is going to go. And if this is going to go up against a wall or going to be in an area where the door isn't accessible, you can put it on either side. So that way that you are able to have access to the door. Now I'm just doing this hand tight. I don't want to tighten it too much that it bends this outside metal, because you could do that. So just be cautious as you're screwing this together, taking your time. All right, there we go. Now the sides are on. Now your next task is to put on this back panel right here. You want to pay attention to where you put this, because you want to be able to put these two bolt holes down here at the bottom in, as well as these here. There aren't going to be any holes here at the top. All right, so I just lifted this up and put these top ones in. I'm going to start with the top ones on both sides, and then I'm going to work my way down, securing the bottom and securing the bottom frame. So it is easiest to lay down and look to make sure you're getting everything lined up correctly for this bottom section of the kennel. All right, so I had messed up and installed these panels in upside down. So these holes were on the bottom. They need to go on the top so it can screw into the board above it. I was still able to keep my door on the side that I wanted, and so I just had to flip it over. So just pay attention to that. Make sure that you put these holes at the top. The next thing that we're going to do is put this board on top. It does have 4 bolt holes on each side, and we're going to line those up with the side ones here. To screw the board into the frame, we're going to use the longer length Allen bolts. All right, now once you get the top secured on here, you are going to want to tilt it over onto its side, so that way you can attach the feet to the base. Feet are just these plastic pieces right here, and they thread into the corners, and they're metal with a plastic bottom. They are adjustable, so if you needed to make sure that your kennel's nice and level, you can do that. I'm just threading them all the way in for right now. I'll adjust it if I need to. For the inside of your kennel, there is this spring that you can attach on one side of the door, be able to go behind a stopper here and hold it in place. And so just like that, it locks in place. So you can have it so only one door opens, or you can have it so that 2 doors can open. So just like that, now it's locked in place. So now I'm going to install the one on the lower hinge, just like this. So it's really secure. It's going to have locks on the top and bottom of on both doors. So you're not going to have to worry about the dog being able to push it open, or have doors that are kind of cattywampus. So now when you go to open it, you are going to need to use 2 hands. And just like that, this door is secure. So now I'm going to install this. The top of this kennel is 37.5 inches long. The width is 25 3/4 inch wide. It has 2 locks, opens up, lots of space in there. This is not a crate for dogs that are not potty trained. If they go to the bathroom in here, it will get through and not be contained. So both doors open up completely so that you're able to easily put a mattress in or take it out. So it's pretty nice. I like it. It works out perfect for my house.